everyone, thanks for checking out my channel. For my first tutorial, I'm gonna start with something super easy, which is a nice and straight and sleek look, just like this. So I'm going to start by spraying dry conditioner into my hair. This one's the Aveda one, and I like this one a lot because it's a fine mist and it makes my hair smell really good. You can put it in your hair when it's wet or dry, and in this case I put it in before I air dried it, and I'll apply a little bit more to the ends for added protection and shine. I'm going to comb it through, and then I'm going to part my hair down the middle and the back just to make it easier for sectioning. So what you're going to want to do is to section your hair into smaller sections and tie it up with clips. So to start, I'm going to take about a 1-inch section and detangle it with my fingers to make sure there are no tangles left. I'm going to start at the root, and then I'm going to slowly make my way down in a kind of C curve to give it a little bit more volume so that it doesn't sit too flat. As you're going over your hair with a straightener, try and only go over it 2 times max, just to make sure you don't give yourself any dry, brittle ends or start any split ends. So for the top sections that are framing the face, I like to bring those pieces forward when I'm straightening them, just to give yourself a little bit more volume around the face, and I find that it frames it a little bit nicer. So to finish off, I'm going to apply the Aveda smoothing fluid and a little bit of the Ordinary's 100% plant-derived squalane. I really like this oil because it's super versatile. I use it on my skin and I use it in my hair as well. So you're going to take 2 drops of the oil and 2 drops of the smoothing fluid and really emulsify it in your hands and gently put it through your hair, starting at the ends and making your way to the top. So next I'm going to take a tissue and I'm going to fold it about 2 times, and then I'm going to take some hairspray and spray it directly onto the tissue. So with the tissue, I'm going to gently pat down all the little flyaways that I have. By putting hairspray on the tissue, it gives me a lot more control as to where the hairspray is going. And this is preference, but I like to tuck one side of my hair behind my ear just because I like the look. So there it is, super easy and versatile. If you guys liked what you saw, please like and subscribe below. For my next video, I'm going to go over a very frequently asked question in the salon. I'll be posting that in a couple of days, so stay tuned.